I'd like to call forth our great friends who have been entertaining all around our island this week. These boys have been going into the summer enrichment programs and introducing circus arts, which is an old tradition from all over the place. Almost every child in the summer fun program this year has seen the Hiccup circus, and they have some talent that they're sharing with our children. Sure. So in a moment, please give them a warm
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for having us today. It really, I feel a little unusual that we've just walked in here as the circus into such a peaceful sounding event. But I'm glad you're all happy to have us here. Hey, just to get everything started, why don't, when I say hiccup, you guys say circus. Hiccup! Alright, that's pretty good for a first try. Hiccup! Yeah, hiccup! Hiccup! Alright. Well, as you know, we've come all the way from the Big Island, the Island of Fire. We live at the base of the volcano, right where the lava is flowing down into the ocean. So we thought we'd bring a little fire along with us. And it's customary in the vaudevillian realm to, when you've been hosted and you've had a really nice time and you've been treated really well on a trip, to get your host and put them in the middle of a fire passing routine. So we have Jake the Juggler here, and Hunterific, and of course Mark Jeffers from the Storybook Theatre. The boys are gauging the wind factor right now, as passing fire is actually quite dangerous. And here we go. Count down with us. 10, 9, 8, 7, so. Fire! What do you reckon? Should we start again? What do you think, Mark? Should we start again? Alright, here we go. 10, 9, count with me. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright! Alright, Mark. Thank you very much. Alright. Okay, so that's right, folks. We are from the Hiccup Circus. My name is Tristan Shout. You've just seen Jake the Juggler in orange, Hunterific in blue. We have Beck in black, in purple, and Kanoa the Magnificent in red. We are the Junkyard Jugglers. I hope you enjoy our subsidized show.
Sound problem, yay!
Okay, here we go.
Oh, there we go.